looks like a pond, but the water is clear. Clean. There's a step that we used to step down here. That's gonna be hard to climb up. It's very, very thick. Very beautiful. Peaceful. It's a good for meditation.